Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Thrinacia webinar video. My name is Kyle. I'm a business developer here at Thrinacia. I'm joined again with David.
Hello, I'm a front-end developer here at Thrinacia.
So this episode, we're going to be going over the Meridian app. We're going to show you guys what the app is used for, how to build the app, as well as a short demo. So a little bit about the app. The Meridian app is designed for users to view and donate to the crowdfunding campaigns. It's not necessarily designed to create campaigns or even, do anything on the back end as a portal administrator. You can add the app to the Google Play Store yourself, or you can get Thrinacia to do this for you. And we're going to go a little bit more into details about that later. You have the ability to manipulate the code or hire Thrinacia's in-house developers to manipulate the code for you. So whether you want to change colors, change the UI, or even some of the functionality, you can have our in-house developers do that. Or you can, if you are a developer, use the code or view the code and manipulate it yourself. So deploying the app, first you need to have a build plan or above. And once you're on that plan, then you can create a ticket in the Nexus system or even email support at Thrinacia and request to have the app code. Once you get that app code, you can add your logo. You can make any other necessary UI changes through the app code as needed. And then once you're finished, you have to build the app, and then you can create an account on the Google Play Store and add that app to the App Store. Now, if you want, you can create an account and then have us add it to the Google Play Store for you, or you can do that yourself. David's going to quickly show you guys, how to build the app, and then he's going to show you guys a demo on what the app looks like and how it functions. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen here. I'm going to let David share his screen.
Alrighty, so you guys see my screen? Here's the set of files you get for the Meridian app for our subscribers. So if you go into the README file, you'll see that a bunch of, well, first of all, the bash script that actually creates the app and the arguments that need to be defined for the bash script to run. So the first argument is the release.jks, and that's just this file here. It's on the root folder, and you need a path to it in the arguments. And the next three are relating to the Google Play Store, just like the alias name, password for the key store, stuff like that. And now this one, the app name. This is the actual name of the app. It's what's the little text that appears, title of the app that appears below the icon on the user's device. The API host, that's the API that tells the app where to get all the campaigns from, where to populate its listings. And the portal name, that's just a name you can put whatever you like. It's used for creating different packages. Ours is called Atlas. I'll just show you what it looks like. Oh, before that, I'll show you how to define the icons. Yeah. So in here it actually tells you there's a folder named res, and there are a bunch of different sizes of icons you need just to accommodate different users who may have different devices with bigger screens, smaller screens, stuff like that. And all the sizes are listed here. I'll show you where to find them. So like mentioned, there's a folder called res, and then the icons are found in these folders with mipmap on the title. So these ones. Now, if I were to go into one of them, you can see there's a icon with the name IC launcher, IC_launcher.png. Make sure that the icon's file name is IC launcher. And then if I go into properties, you'll see that this is a 192 by 192 pixel icon. And just like all these mipmap folders have just different icons with different sizes. So same icons with different sizes. This one's 72 by 72 pixels. Yeah, and once you've defined the icon you would like to use, to actually run the script, we simply go open this folder in a terminal, And then if you look down here, it actually gives you a sample on what to run to actually build the app. So I'll just copy that, paste it in. Now I won't actually be running it because it takes a little bit to, I already ran it, and it takes a little bit of time to build, but I'll show you what all the arguments are. So here's the first one, release.jks. Before that, just sudo deployment.sh. That's just the just defining the bash script to run. It's just pointing to this file basically, which is the bash script. And then the first three, so first argument, sorry, is release.js. It's just the file here that it needs. And the next three, like I mentioned, they're just credentials for the Google Play Store. Let me just open the README again. So yeah, so password, you know, stuff for the Play Store. And then the app name, we just call it Thrinacia with a capital T. On ours, it's actually Thrinacia 2. So you'll see that reflected on the app where we're going to show you. And then the API host is just where, this is going to be different for your platform, but it's just where the app will find all the listings and such. It's unique to your platform.
Right.
And then Atlas is just like, yeah, and Atlas is just a name. You can name it whatever you like. Now, once you do run that script, it'll create another folder called Meridian 2. If you go into here, app, build, outputs, and then APK, you'll see the app release.apk. Whoops, I didn't need to double click. So this app is this file is going to be what's going to be deployed on the Google Play Store, and it's going to be the actual, it's like an executable that installs on a Android device. Now, if I would, now we've already opened this up on Android Studio, so let me just open that back up here. So
that's
if I go
that's the file that you add onto the Google Play Store there?
Yeah, exactly. App release.apk, that's just the thing that runs on the Android phone. So yeah, we have here just a emulated Android phone. And if I go into the app drawer here, you'll see that our icon is here with Thrinacia 2 there. It's supposed to be Thrinacia 2, but it's a little bit cut off. If I were to open this, you'll see, yeah, this is our app, Thrinacia 2. And here you can see our featured app, sorry, a featured campaign. We only have one right now, so there's just that. And you can see, you can browse through all the campaigns this way, just using a mobile device. Yeah.
Pretty basic UI.
Yeah. So let's just try making a test contribution. So let's go into here, like the one we've always been using. Scroll down, you'll see options for, whoops. So you'll see options for contributions. You'll simply just click on the card here. It'll bring you to the contribution page. You can select whichever card you have saved into your account. And then contribution amount, let's do $25. And then contribute. Oops, keyboard's still up. Whatever. Contribute.
Emulator takes a second.
Yeah, so you have now successfully backed this campaign. And that's all there is to it, using the Meridian app.
Cool.
You can also share it with your friends if you'd like, but we don't have that configured on the emulator.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's a basic, has basic functionality. You can basically view all of the campaigns on the site, and then as a user, you can donate to them. You know, you're not going to be creating any campaigns, like I said, or doing any back-end portal administrator tasks on the app, but it's just a different way that your users can experience your platform. So if you guys have any other questions about the app, or you want to get the app code, like I said, you can email support@thrinacia.com, create a ticket in the Nexus system, and we can send over that code and answer any sort of questions that you have about it. So we hope you guys found this really helpful. My name is Kyle.
Hi, I'm David.
And we want to thank you for watching these videos.